Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, Uma Khumalo said to herself, there is no ways I am waiting till next season to respond to the things that Umaxele has been saying about me. So she posted this video on Instagram, guys, the video that's playing. And listen, those who get it, get it. Now you'd remember that Umaxele was fuming, saying something like, Tobile, uyamdakela or udakela phezu kwakhe. Umusa even asked, uyaphuza yini? Does Makhumalo drink alcohol? So for Umakhumalo to put up that video where she's pouring champagne or wine, asizazi lezi zinto ke guys. I guess she's saying angidakwe once njengoba ngibizwa ngesidawa. Now other people wanted to make an issue out of this. Other people saying ukuthi hayibo, does that champagne have a percentage? Other people arguing ukuthi ayinayo. Guys, we know kwamsele kuvele Umusa said ukuthi indaba zokudakwa, he doesn't want his wives to do it. Maybe ushintshile because one day a time where he said he doesn't want them to wear trousers, but they do wear trousers. Or was he just speaking about skimpy clothes? But anyway, guys, even if it is ishampoo ene percentage, wena angabe uyiphuzish i-percentage umuntu ekubonisa ama-flames, ama-true colors zakhe. Please, guys, but don't judge people because now you are a people. And awazi lo life uzokuthatha akubeke kuphi. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.